It's gonna be the Meat Church Blanco seasoning and steak. Guys, welcome back to the channel, Grilling Addiction with Nick. I'm Nick. On this video today, we're going to be giving you guys a try of the brand new Meat Church Blanco seasoning. Man, I saw this come out. I found out it was at one of our local academy just down the road. So I ran up there, grabbed some for you guys to give it a try. I've heard great reviews on this, and I'm excited to get some steaks on the grill tonight or today and show you guys how this stuff tastes. So here we go, guys. On this video today, on my way back from grabbing the Blanco seasoning, there's a local meat shop right down the road, Ralph's Meat Packing. I went in there just to see what all they got, and these ribeyes was calling my name. I walked by the freezer, I saw them, and I was like, man. And then I came back, and then I just had to get them. So I got them here today. They're on the cutting board. We're about to throw some of this Blanco on it, and we're gonna give them a try, guys. Hey, it's great weather in Oklahoma. It's a little windy, but it's time to throw down on some steak. Here we go. All right, guys, a couple ribeyes right here, and we got our Blanco seasoning. We're gonna get these seasoned up for you guys. These have been setting out to room temperature. Got some good marbling on these. All right, guys, kind of shape these up a little bit, just like that. All right, so on this one here, we're gonna keep the marinade kind of local. It's gonna hit a little bit of this Head Country all-purpose marinade. And all we're trying to do is just kind of create a little bit of a binder. I'm just coating this steak with this, and then the rub will be our main flavor. Just about a quarter amount on there. All right, that looks real good. And now we got the Blanco. I really like the coarseness of this rub. It's real small. And just out of the bottle, this stuff's got some amazing flavor, man. It will wow you right off the bat. But we're rocking salt, spices, dehydrated garlic, onion, butter flavor, and other things. But this, guys, I'm telling you, it's a good rub. We're just gonna let that set up there for a second, and then we'll get them flipped over and season the other side. Guys, I decided I'm gonna throw some butcher twine on these, just so they don't fall apart on the cook. Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna let that set up for a second, and then we will be right on the grill. So you guys stick around. All right, guys, we're going on the grill. Just like that right there. We're gonna push down. We're gonna go a minute. These are kind of thin, so I'm gonna go about a minute and 13 seconds per side. All right, guys, quarter turn. All right, guys, that's 2 minutes and 26 seconds. We're gonna get it up. We're gonna clean our grill grate. We're gonna hit it with a little spray. We're gonna reveal those hashtags, and then they go right back down. All right, guys, next quarter turn. Guys, we'll move this one over here, and we'll get our other one on. Okay, guys, recap. We cooked these 2 ribeyes on the Weber kettle, running some extra large Royal Oak briquettes, grill grates. Ran a minute 13 per quarter turn to get some good hashtags. After 4 turns, I was at about 110. Moved them over to the indirect side, and then cooked the other one. Once they hit about 125, 135, looking for medium rare, I took them off the grill, put them in some aluminum foil here on the cutting board. We're gonna let them rest for 8 minutes. Once that 8 minutes is up, I'm gonna give you guys a taste test right here on camera. So you guys stick around. Wow. Okay, guys, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna get this on a cutting board. I'm gonna take a few pictures, and then we're gonna be trying this thing, okay? Here we go. Here we go, guys. We're gonna cut this spinalis off here. Little center. That's not bad. Not a bad cook there. Right there, guys. What do you think about that? Not a bad cook. All right, guys, gonna get the camera up on me. We'll give this a try. Okay, guys, here we go. This is going to be the taste test of the Meat Church Blanco seasoning, brand new rub. Excited to get our hands on it here at Grilling Addiction with Nick. First one's gonna be a little bit of that spinalis. That's my favorite part. Let's get a taste. Guys, it's a dynamite rub. It has that wow factor, man. Like, you taste it and you're like, wow. It's got just some great flavors. The granulars are so small. I love that. I think it'll be great on smash burgers. That's the next thing I'm gonna do with it, is make some smash burgers. Now let's get a piece of that center cut of the ribeye here. Here we go. Yeah, guys, this is a great steak seasoning. This is up there on the higher end of the steak seasonings that we've ran on the channel. you guys get out and go pick you up some of that Meat Church Blanco seasoning. Okay? Hey guys, that's a wrap on another great cook. You guys stick around for some more cooks that we got coming for you guys. Here we go.